grip it right. He be like, yikes. Hey y'all, hey. It's your girl, Ratchet Tracy. In the goddamn mix as usual. Y'all I done put up on the motherfucking script, you heard me? Bitch, I had to hop out because since I say I'm the side chick president, I got to put that shit to the test, you feel me? I can't be the side chick president and I ain't got no record, you know what I'm talking about? So I gotta see, you know what I'm saying? If I be on this motherfucking stroll, when the motherfucking niggas know what to do with it, you know what I'm talking about? But you gonna handle me like a G though, you hear me? Bitch, I ain't giving up no whammies. Please it. President. I'm finna tell these hoes how they supposed to get their bread, you hear me? And I'm still out here on the stroll, y'all, but it started raining. And I was like, these hoes ain't gonna be out here in the rain, right? I don't think so. Y'all out here and it's still raining? Baby, they don't give a fuck. They ain't playing no game. I do what I do. When I do what I do. Cause I do what I do. When I do what I do. I do what I do. When I do what I do. Cause I do what I do. When I do what I do. They give me a drunk, then she give me that gin. So you had how many gin? Hold on, you done told me 3 different type of liquors.
Nah, yeah, the Parmesan.
You had 3, you said Parmesan.
2 of the Parmesans, 1
tequila.
Drink, 1 drink.
Oh, drink, that's right.
And then the gin.
Ooh,
I ain't finna go to sleep. I already ain't go to sleep yesterday though.
That nigga done.
They want to dance.
Tip out
$10
$10.
tip out, man.
And you keep everything else?
Club game. 54 to release. They fuck with us, man.
Hey.
This nigga say he is not tipping, y'all.
Hey.
Y'all see this nigga right here?
What we do that then? We talk about him.
He say he is not tipping, y'all.
Good game.
Reverend such and such.
Reverend such and such? Say.
I can verbally turn Salvador into a honey bun.
Verbally turn Salvador into a honey bun. He say he ain't tipping you bitches, don't play with him.
Against my religion.
Oh no. Ratchet Tracy, and this the Nasty Ink mobile mechanic, and he pulling up, emptying out y'all motherfucking pipes and shit. You understand me? Bitch, I'm trying to figure out what the fuck is he fixing, you heard me? He said he nasty. Nasty Ink and is Ratchet Tracy out.